The internet has revolutionized how we earn money. One of the most exciting developments is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It operates independently of banks and governments. This new technology offers incredible opportunities to earn online. This essay will be your guide to navigating the world of crypto. We will explore how to make money with this revolutionary technology. From trading to mining, you'll learn the basics and beyond. Get ready to unlock the potential of crypto. Cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain technology. A blockchain is like a digital ledger. It records all transactions across a network of computers. This makes it secure and transparent. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Now thousands of cryptocurrencies exist. Bitcoin is like digital gold. Ethereum powers smart contracts and decentralized applications. Stablecoins are pegged to fiat currencies like the US dollar. Each cryptocurrency has unique features and uses. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand the basics of how cryptocurrencies work. Learn about different types and their potential. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions. To buy, sell, and store crypto, you need the right tools. Crypto wallets are essential for storing your digital assets. They come in two main types: software and hardware wallets. Software wallets are convenient for everyday transactions. Hardware wallets offer enhanced security for long-term storage. Crypto exchanges are platforms where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. They act as intermediaries, connecting buyers and sellers. Choosing a reputable exchange is crucial for security and peace of mind. Do your research and select platforms with a proven track record. Cryptocurrency trading can be lucrative, but it comes with risks. Day trading involves making rapid trades to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. Long-term investing, or hodling, focuses on holding crypto for extended periods to benefit from potential future growth. Before you start trading, it's essential to have a solid understanding of market analysis. Technical analysis uses charts and indicators to identify patterns and trends. Fundamental analysis evaluates the underlying value of a cryptocurrency. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. This process secures the network and rewards miners with new coins. Bitcoin mining has become increasingly competitive, requiring specialized hardware and significant energy consumption. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, are transitioning to proof-of-stake mechanisms, which are more energy efficient. If you're interested in mining, research the requirements and costs involved. Section 6. Staking and yield farming. Growing your crypto. Staking and yield farming are passive income strategies in the crypto world. Staking involves holding your crypto in a wallet to support the operation of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards in the form of additional coins. Yield farming is similar but involves lending your crypto to decentralized finance or DeFi protocols. These protocols use your funds to provide liquidity for lending and borrowing, and you earn interest or fees. Both staking and yield farming can be complex, so it's crucial to understand the risks and rewards before participating. Section 7. NFTs. Owning the digital future. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital or physical items. Unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs are not interchangeable. Each NFT is one of a kind, making them ideal for representing collectibles, art, and other unique items. You can buy, sell, and trade NFTs on specialized marketplaces. Some platforms allow you to create your own NFTs and sell them directly to collectors. The NFT space is rapidly evolving, presenting new opportunities for creators and collectors alike. Section 8. Play-to-earn games. Fun and profit. Play-to-earn games are a new breed of video games that allow players to earn cryptocurrency by playing. These games often involve earning in-game items or tokens that can be traded for real-world value. Axie Infinity is a popular example of a play-to-earn game where players collect, breed, and battle creatures called Axies. These Axies are NFTs that can be bought, sold, or used in battles to earn rewards. While play-to-earn games offer exciting possibilities, it's crucial to approach them with a balanced perspective. Section 9. Security, taxes, and the law navigating the crypto landscape. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Protect your crypto assets by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Be wary of phishing scams and only use reputable wallets and exchanges. Cryptocurrency transactions are taxable in many jurisdictions. Keep accurate records of your transactions, including purchases, sales, and trades. Consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations. Regulations surrounding cryptocurrency vary by country and are constantly evolving. Stay informed about the legal landscape in your jurisdiction to ensure compliance. By taking the necessary precautions and staying informed, you can navigate the crypto world safely and responsibly.